everyone, thanks for watching. My name is Rachel and I'm from Lightmakers. Today we're here to present to you a bespoke project in Singapore that is commissioned by my client right here at his house.
Hi Rachel.
Hi Mr. Cho.
Welcome.
Color coordinated
Come in. The house was completed 1 year ago after close to about slightly more than 1.5 years of rebuilding. It's my dream home and we're very happy that our architect designed a place that suit our needs. Firstly, the dining area has got two components. The first one is the 4-meter long table that I customized. The second component is the lights that were recommended by light makers in order to complement the long table. The sourcing of lights is a very elaborate process because now that we have the internet, we go all over the internet looking for various lighting options. When we were Googling these lighting options, I came across light makers and I found that they had a variety of lights that would meet my needs. I think if you go to any website and you go to any lighting shop, you will be overwhelmed by all the lighting choices that you have. Whether you want a standing light, hanging light, there are so many different options. It is really up to the experience of the people at the shop. And I'm very happy that light makers, they were able to understand my needs and recommend the appropriate lights. Okay, Rachel, why don't we go upstairs and have a closer look at the light from a higher elevation? See, this is the light you can see from the second floor.
So we get a lot of inquiries over the last few decades, I would say, in terms of size, color, finishings, bespoke ones like the one we have here at Mr. Cho's house. So over the years, we really came across a whole different kind of requests. In Singapore, the challenge is that not every supplier would be willing to undertake every single project because to the amount of resource and time to curate all these specific bespoke pieces, especially if it's just 1 or 2 units, not everyone is willing to. But what I can say for light makers that due to the wealth of experience that we have amassed over time, so it comes easier to us in a sense that we are aware of what obstacles, what issues that may surface, and then we are able to preempt it due to the experiences from our experts being passed on year on year.
So we were given 3 options, whether we want it to be white, warm, In the end, I think Rachel recommended sticking to one light. And I think we chose the warm light, consistent throughout for all the 36 lights. And so that even if 1 or 2 blow, we will not see the impact at all. The second part is about cleaning it. I'm lucky that for our house, right, this light is technically enclosed, so I don't see an issue with dust falling on it.
To add on to Mr. Cho's point, right, actually these are some of the common questions that homeowners do ask, and we normally do interview them, things like, is it exposed to the sea? Because it can get a bit humid and things like metals may rust faster than usual. So having an enclosed area like air conditioning and all that and allows to protect the longevity of every fixture. So that's why in terms of like high ceiling lights, we always recommend certain fixtures that will not tarnish over time and will be able to withstand any weather conditions that comes along.
High ceiling, right? The conventional approach is to put a chandelier. Those kind that's full of crystals and very traditional. My wife and I thought that it would be better if we can look for something modern and that can go through, be transient across time and it will still be a nice piece that we can look at and don't feel that it's too old.
So every project comes with its unique set of concerns or requirements. We will definitely assess them on a case-by-case basis and look in depth into how we can assist them. What I can say is that for light makers, you're not just looking for a fabricator to curate the light of your dreams, you're also looking for a peace of mind. What we offer is definitely project management to ensure that everything is running smoothly from start to finish. We actually take on a lot of pride and a lot of ownership to every project that we take on, just to ensure that everything is smoothly handed over, be it to our clients or even to interior designers and architects who are really pressed by a certain timeline and needs everything to run smoothly. Hi, Mr. Joe!
Welcome, come.
Color coordinated. Let's go.
Okay.